Today I'm cooking my quick and easy healthy broccoli chicken pasta. You need 1 medium-sized onion, 3 garlic. I'm first removing the skin of both, and then I'm very excited. I'm using my new kitchen processor, the Ninja. You will see it in this video and I'm totally excited, and I will show you how I'm using it. Now let's get to the broccoli. I always chop the crown of the broccoli down, then turn it upside down and cut horizontally and vertically into the broccoli stem so I can get nice and quickly broccoli florets. I also like to use the most of my broccoli or any veggie, to be honest. So here the stem, I just remove the outer side of it and I can use it into my recipe for today. The remaining ingredients I will be adding into a soup. And here it is, my new Ninja food processor. Comes with 3 attachments. Right now I'm using the disc, which will slice all my veggies for me today. The machine itself is very lightweight, to my surprise, and it makes my life much easier, especially for a person with smaller kitchen. You can just move it around quickly. It saves so much of time. I'm using chicken thighs, which has more flavor due to its high fat content. Just move or roll the chicken bone by pressing the meat down to the corner. Cut as close as you can get to the bone, and there you have a nice piece of a chicken thigh. And now, careful with your fingers. Now remove the excess meat from the chicken bone. Again, don't waste the chicken bones. You can make fabulous soup or chicken stock. Add oil into your pan, onions, garlic and broccoli stem, and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. My seasonings are oregano, thyme, paprika and salt. Give it a good mix. Now add the chicken and cook for a good 20 to 25 minutes. Now add the broccoli florets and give it a good mix. And add a splash of water so the broccoli can cook for a further 5 minutes. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of flour. Mix it well. Make sure all the flours are mixed truly well with your broccoli and chicken. And finally add your milk. Give it a good mix. And there you have your creamy broccoli chicken sauce for your pasta. I really hope you like my video and you will share it with your friends and beloved ones. Let me know if you have tried it at home. Take some picture and share it with me if you like. I would really appreciate that. And until then, take care. And again, thank you for watching.